Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and welcome to your Monday lineup for this week. First and foremost, I didn't forget the samples for Saturday and Sunday. I didn't post them. I shot one, didn't edit it. Family time was a little more important. Christmas is coming, and I just went into the garage and just got out the Christmas trees, plural, and started putting stuff up in the house. So that was more important to me than, of course, editing. I was done. I was trying to edit at night, and it just didn't work. I was done. So I'm still working on those. Hopefully you'll get those on Monday and Tuesday of this week, so we can kind of move on with the regular show. If not, if I'm not on my A game, you won't be getting these sampling samples. You're going to get the ones that were due for last week. It happens. And hopefully you don't judge me too hard. Things are more important than a YouTube channel, at least in my eyes. So let's take a look at the lineup. So here today, Monday, you're not going to get this Monday morning, but you are going to get it sometime during the day here and let you know what's going on. Hopefully more at night. I kind of want to start editing Monday night. So hopefully you're going to get a samples. I believe the one that I did was the Louis Vuitton Nouveau Monde. That one is completed, just needs to be edited. And then the other one, Intoxicated by Killian, that one is also done, just needs my magic. Tuesday, you're going to get your subscriber's choice. I don't even remember where we're at with subscriber's choice. I think we're in the designer lineup. It could be, but it's going to be your choice, of course. That's subscriber's choice on Tuesday, and hopefully you'll get Intoxicated at that point. So that by Killian will come out. So you're going to get double the videos of Monday, Tuesday, hopefully. If I'm on my A game, hoping for it. Wednesday's unboxing, first impression, another Christian Dior. I bought a few privés. So this one is called Vanilla Diorama. So I am going to talk about this one. This one, of course, unboxed because it was a Facebook snag. I'm in this Canadian group, and it's just, these privés are so much better as far as price goes. I will save myself $100 to almost $120 to $150 just getting something like this that has a small dent into it and no box. Makes all kind of, like, if I can get a privé in the hundreds of dollars Canadian, I'll wait. I'm a patient guy, so I don't need some of these right now, day of launch. I'm patient, and I am kind of ruthless. When I see a deal done, I'll throw money at you right away. Done. So Vanilla Diorama, I can't wait to discuss that one. If you didn't check out last week's, go check out last week's privé that I spoke about. Spice blend. Next, you see this little snake, Stephane Humbert Lucas. I unboxed this one back in 2019. This one called Mortal Skin. Huge fan of this release. I got this one split with my splitter back in 2019. I can't wait to do the test drive on that one on Thursday. We actually have two Stephane Humbert Lucas. We got that one and we got a sample. Next is the one that didn't make it last week as per my schedule. So Invictus, which one is this one? Legend. It has the, the Christmas theme going. Might as well unbox it this December. So that's the plan, and we'll see how that goes. And then our sampling for Saturday and Sunday. Saturday is your subscriber's choice. This was the designer line. This is Christian Dior Sauvage Elixir. You wanted it, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get my thoughts on that one. And then Sunday is my choice here, Stephane Humbert Lucas, and this one is a hype beast called God of Fire. So I'm looking forward to, I really like this one, and I kind of want to delve into like Sand Dance and among others. I may get the whole line depending on, let's see what God of Fire gives me this Sunday. So I'm looking forward to a lot of these. We got some designer, we got some niche, we got, a brand that I haven't, Stephane Humbert Lucas, I haven't really spoken about. I've delved into the brand, so we're getting into it a little bit more on my channel, so I'm excited about that. And of course, this one right here, Christian Dior Privé, is always fun to discuss. So let me know in the comments below. I always love the comments below of what you're going to be checking out. You're going to pass on this week, your thoughts on some of these, the reasons why you'll be checking out some of them. You're going to be checking out the whole thing. Yeah, it's like my Monday ritual that I just go and scroll down the comments and just take a look at what you're all excited about, and it kind of makes me, plan for 2024 of what you really want on this channel. There is going to be some changes in the new year on the channel, which are going to be full-fledged reviews. I'm going to try to get back into it. I do have some on the go right now, more lists because people want lists apparently, so I'll start doing more of those. So I'm kind of working and shaping what I want from this channel in the new year. So, and it's almost my 1 year anniversary from when I returned. I don't remember when I returned to YouTube, but it was around this time, maybe actually close to now. So, I got to kind of reflect back and take a look at what I did for the year too, maybe do a video on that. And yeah. And I'm way past my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. I think we're on year 13, 14, I believe. 14 years. Whew. Okay, it goes fast. Anyway, I feel old now. I'm done. Cut the video. See you later. Have a good week.